If they are not just to succeed here, but moving forward, when they automatically land at 4th to pick up Ateneo pag nagtapat tayo sa Final Four.
Totoo yan. And I really thought that Adamson had an inside track sa semifinals by virtue of that fact that they won 6 games. Only scored 2 points in that game versus Ateneo. At, sa kabuuan ng ating tournament, 129 points.
Pletado. Acuña, Balbuena again. Great save, but wow, almost, but not quite. Si Ramirez went over the running billboard natin. Pero he seems to be okay. Yung retrieval niya, sumabit sa net, take another look. Public
face FEU in the playoff for the 4th and final spot.
Sudaria, layo na pinanggalingan. Tinago pa siya dun sa decoy. Came from out of nowhere.
Sakto yung sinabi mo, nakatago, nakaanino. And look at
Melgar. Ramirez, back set Saraza. Saraza! Wow, what a save right there.
Talked about composure. We mentioned about boys and these two teams.
Sudaria picks it up. They go to Sarmiento. Sarmiento off speed!
Kanti lamang para kay Sarmiento. Pinatama lang niya dito. Sa ilalim ng kanyang palm, makikita natin.
By Balbuena. Here comes Balbuena. Wow, what an effort. UP back at set point, 30-29.
That's why he is the team captain.
Top scoring for UP. Set point again, Maroons. Oh! What a lucky break for UP. They get it on. More important for UP to win it, to avoid getting into a playoff with FEU for the 4th spot.
We're watching
sa
here
Final
right
Four.
now. Ka na rin pagdating dun sa playoffs.
2 quick
Combination
points.
play, nice.
Para kay Miguel right there to put UP on top after that point. Balbuena picks it up. Acuña chases after it. Here comes Miguel. Wow, Wendell Miguel. 10 points in the game already.
Wow. With not much space, with not much reception.
Ramirez. Sudaria cross court. Yes.
Locating the open spot. Hitting that ball straight to zone 1.
Free ball for the Fighting Maroons. Acuña. And that's a point by San Pedro.
Excellent back set coming from Acuña.
Mel. School. Miguel too close to the net. And easy block even for the small Ramirez.
Transition defense ng UP. Coverage.
Acuña
Nice
serving.
serve.
There's that dump by Ramirez. Again, a very offensive-minded setter. And now it's set point for Adamson. Picked up by Sudaria. They go to Sudaria. Michael Sudaria down the line, and that's it. Adamson spot sa standings. Adamson naman needs to win or wants to win. It's not more of a need but want, no? Out of Arellano. Combination.
Wow.
Sudaria scores it.
Pero mas na-impress ako yung yuko niya para hindi sumabit sa net. Kanina si Balbuena, yan, tawak sa bewak.
Hindi lang palo either block or lumampas outside, ano? And what a break!
Call timeout here, Eric, dahil 6 points ahead and only 2 points away ang UP para makatikim ng isang set. The result or the outcome of this match.
Sudaria blocked again. That's a 3-point run. Serving. Here's Miñete winning it for UP. And para sa Adamson and that chance to tie NU at the 2nd spot to play. Dalawang free ball na yan ng UP. Maaga pa lang tayo sa set 4. And Miñete puts it away.
Anytime you give up multiple free balls, that is equivalent.
Help out itong struggling defense and offense ng Adamson. Tip there by Balbuena, even with a left hand. Pumuntos pa rin.
Anytime your best player is willing to work trips.
Balbuena. Blocked! What an effort by Pau Pablico, and Adamson after trailing by 10 is within 2. FEU cheer. Free ball for UP.
Sama ng bagsak ni Sarmiento rin.
Raimundo makes it a 3-point lead for UP, 22-19. Let's remember, wala nang timeout dito ang Adamson. Sudaria right there for the save. Sudaria attacks and gets the point. Oh, wow. Ito na naman, Adamson within 1. And take a look at FEU.
Tignan mo yung para sa UP.
Ramirez, Sudaria, blocked! That's all that UP needed to secure for the 4th spot in the Final Four. And take a look at Wendell Miguel in tears. That's how much
of effort that they brought in with their net defense. That was a key for UP in getting that 1-set advantage doon sa nakalipas na 3rd set. And that also was that final defensive stop that they needed. And they got that huge and last block point to be able to close the deal and seal this win for the Fighting.
ang UP against Adamson. They're 1-1 this season. But more importantly than that, they solidify the Final Four.